Criteria for community relations activities, creating something needed that did not exist before. And it also eliminating the something that is a community problem, developing a means of self determination, broadening use of something that exists to the include have nodes, sharing equipments, facilities, and a professional expertise, reconstituting, repairing, and addressing up, tutoring, counseling, and training wherever the requirement is there. Activating others, activating like you are including the other people, so we can say that the other communities to your group. So these are the like criteria for like where you are working for your community. So when our organization moves or relocate and closes, then also you will like and local government and political actions will be there. Corporate social responsibility and philanthropy will be there. So community relation goes beyond mere communication. So it requires actions in relation to community health, welfare, education, government, culture, recreation, and other areas. And also it devote considerable attention to building and maintaining solid relations with city officials. So start mobilization from the local level before jumping to the national and international sphere. So charity begins from the, we can say that we can start the charity from the local. And it also creates the, like, it also eliminates something that is like a community problem. And whenever reconstructing, repairing, and dressing up will be there, and whenever need of tutoring, counseling, and training will be there. So these are the like criteria for the community relations activities. Corporate social responsibility and philanthropy. It is a form of self-regulation integrated into a business model. CSR can involve incurring a short-term cost that do not provide an immediate financial benefit to the company, but instead promote positive social and environmental changes. So, corporate social responsibility allows a business, large and small, to enact a positive change. When companies choose to do what is right, not only for the their bottom line, but also the benefit financially, we're building trust with the customers. So, consumer feels that when they use a product or services of socially responsible company, they are doing their part. So the more socially responsible the company, the more supportive the community and the consumers become. So philanthropy, the practice of giving money and time to help make life better for the other people. So means love of humanity in the sense of caring, nourishing, developing, and enhancing what is to be human on both benefactors and beneficiaries parts. So for example, providing free laptops in schools, or like uh, packaging your package, you are like going with the your environment. So there are various corporate social responsibility outcomes in many forms. So even the smallest company impact social change by making a simple donation to local food bank. So some of the most common example CSR includes the reducing carbon footprints, improving labor policies, and participating in fair trade, charitable giving. So whoever are in need of, like the people who can't afford the school uniforms, books, and so companies will come forward to help them. So corporate policies that benefit the environment, socially and environmentally conscious investment. So these are the activities which are done in under the corporate social responsibility and philanthropy. So the business benefits of corporate social responsibility includes like stronger brand image recognition and reputation. CSR adds value to firms by establishing and maintaining a good corporate reputation and or a brand equity. And it also increases the business increased customer loyalty and sales. Customers of a firm that practices CSR feel that they are helping the firm support good causes. So operational cost saving will be there. Investing in operational efficiencies results in operational cost saving. So as well as reduces the environmental impact. And also retaining key and talented employees in the organization. Employees often stay longer and are more committed to their firm, knowing that they are working for a business that practices CSR. And it also helpful for easier access to funding. Many investors are more willing to support a business that practices CSR. It also reduces the regulatory burden. So strong relationship with the regulatory bodies can help to reduce the firm's burden. Emerging challenge of community activism, particular societal and community circumstances give rise to special challenges and opportunities for community relation efforts. So problems with activism arise in spite of an organization's best efforts to cooperate with its community. So community activities can exert undue pressure and unreasonable influence in attempting to raise public consciousness about issues and concerns that are more often based on emotions than scientific facts. So worldwide, we have a recent years experience uh, resurgence in the practices of bottom-up communication for social change. So while stretching the whole conceptual accordion from alternative media to nano media, so over horizontal tactical citizens, independent or participants and other media are like communicating and social, they are like approaches to media and their communication and social changes. So they are like community media, network media and social media movement will be there. So the use of media, or we can say that the amongst social movements have recently tend to highlight the use of social media for the social change, thus emphasizing social media activism. So however, activism within social movements also stretches back and out to classical media formats such as print, TV, radio, and all.